Oh, banana. That's for us? Did you find the pickle on a tree?
It's mine. No. Me look. Oh, I got a training bike.
Alright, you can just start opening presents. Look for your names on the presents.
Is this mine?
What does it say? You know how to read.
No. Spell this fancy.
No. Who did it? Or Santa did it.
Yes, he did.
Here. M-I-L-A. That's Mila.
Mila, this is yours.
Whoa! Mila. Jason. Yeah. Super cool.
Even I got the Lego too.
Yeah?
But look, he has a different guy.
What's her name?
Wow.
Look at Mila. Here, pet her. Pet her, Mila. Pet her.
See that? She has.
Pet her neck. Or push her back, Jason. Her back.
Mila, this is yours.
Cool, Mila.
Mila, this is yours.
Her name's Butterscotch, Mila.
Mila got another big one.
That's yours. The red one's yours. That one's yours. Those two are yours. Open, baby.
Wow! Cool, look what game I got.
That's a fun game. Mom used to play that when she was younger. Put it in the pile over there when you're done. Or your telescope.
Mila, what'd you get?
Wow, that's a lot.
You got the princess. Mom,
Mhm.
I didn't cry. Look,
Ooh, you got that, buddy? Open the pages. Uh-huh.
wow, you can feel it.
Mm-hmm. And look, each page takes a part off.
Mom,
That one says, look, that says Mila from Santa.
this is
It's Mila. Okay. I just move it out of your way so you can open your other presents, baby.